Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you another beautiful TwoSun knife that I got, and it is the 187 in Micarta. So the 187 previously was introduced by TwoSun knives with these nice carbon fiber scales, and now they have it also in Micarta. And just by purchasing this knife, and I will show you a few seconds why, I didn't know they gave it a name. So here is the knife. It's still the 187, still the slip joint, and now has engraved, I try to zoom in, inside we see it's called Fangtooth. I hope you can see that. So the design is from Mazwan Mokhtar, so the same designer. It has the Chinese micarta on it, which is a, what I say, was something in between linen and canvas. So the roughness of the grain of the linen is really nice, and you can see there. Just to show you comparison with a polished Chinese micarta, so this is how it looks like when it's polished up, more smooth, and this is rough, bit blasted probably. So yes, it has the same specifications like the 187. So we have a overall length of 18.2 centimeters, 7.17 inches. The blade is 7.4 centimeters or 2.91 inch. The handle length is 10.7 centimeters or 4.21 inches. The thickness is 3.8 millimeters or 0.15 inch. The blade width is 2.5 centimeters or 0.98 inches. And this one has the M390 steel on it with the same satin and blasted combo finish. It has nice 2 grooves to open it. On the blade you can see the steel marking and no other. So there is no TwoSun logo on this one, like none was on the previous one. Let me check. So there is inside, so sorry about that, they also put inside this one the Fangtooth. Okay. So they hide it really well. So no billboarding on this one, so no maker's mark visible on the blade. It is all inside here, so really nice. So this way it has a much more a custom feel than your standard applied logos and model numbers on the blade. Yeah, the weight of the Micarta one is 88.9 grams or 3.1 ounces, which is a little bit less for carbon fiber version. That one was 93 grams or 3.28 ounces, so nothing exceptionally high. So yeah, and I'm really happy that they released this version, because the 187 is one of my favorite designs from Mazwan, and this way I have the micarta that I wanted. Mazwan has some really beautiful designs that TwoSun has produced and also is currently in production of producing. If you like, you can check Mazwan's works on Instagram. Yeah, so let me show you also the sharpness. I usually forget this part. So scary sharp, really nicely done. Let me give you once more quick micro shot. So the bolster looks nicely and stone washed. We have exceptional tolerances, really nicely made. Strong back spring. Has a nice half stop. A really hard back spring and okay, so here are the two variants that are currently available by TwoSun. The regular 187 has S90V, also excellent steel choice right there. This will last you a long time. You will have no problems and need to resharpen them. Okay, so now let me give you a few size comparisons. Let me bring out some similar offerings. So this is also one of my favorite designs from CVV or V. This is the rustic gent. This burlap micarta combo with carbon fiber. Then previously shown the Kaiser pinch. Let's bring out a few nice. Here is my case tribal lock, the Brother 1508 CF, the Brother 1503, this is the Rough Rider working knife, a trapper for Steel Warrior, buck toothpick, and now let us continue with a few well-known designs. So this is the Delica 4 from Spyderco. This is the Endura, so obviously much larger knife right there. This is the large Griptilian from Benchmade, small Griptilian from Benchmade. Kershaw Skyline, similar sized one. Buck Sprint Pro in burlap micarta, a little bit larger. Here is the Bug Vintage Pro. And the K-Bar Dozier. So yes, I'm really happy with this one. I strongly recommend check out TwoSun knives if you're interested in modern, classical, something in between. You will definitely find lots of variations and also designs they have put out. They are a great company, giving you exceptional high quality for your price. So these go for around $110, depending on where you're buying them. If you're buying them on AliExpress, I would maybe suggest wait on some sale. If you want to try your luck, then go to eBay, and they are selling these. Probably somebody who is directly involved with the manufacturing, because they have large stock. And also, if I'm not mistaken, White Mountain Knives does carry TwoSun knives in their inventory, and they are also on eBay. So check out the pricing differences, and yeah, but for around $110, it's still a lot of money, but you are getting really nice materials. So I forgot to mention that the body is made out of TC4 titanium alloy. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes also hobby stuff like painting, miniature building, and unboxings of different other things than knives. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I wish you a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye.